Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to calculate equivalent weight of acids and bases. So equivalent weight of an acid and a base is defined as the weight of a compound that contains one equivalent of a proton for acid or one equivalent of an hydroxide for a base. Now let us see how to calculate equivalent weight of acids. Let's take the first example. The first example is HCl, that is hydrochloric acid. Let us write the formula for equivalent weight, which will be equal to molar mass divided by N. Now in case of this is an acid. We are finding equivalent weight for acid. So it will be molar mass divided by number of replaceable H plus ions. Now we need to calculate the molar mass. So it will be 36.5 U. Now we have to find out N, that is the number of replaceable H plus ion in case of HCl. So here HCl dissociates as H plus Cl minus. So number of replaceable H plus ion in this case is 1. Hence we can find out equivalent weight of HCl, which will be equal to 36.5 divided by N, that is 1. Hence our answer is 36.5 gram per equivalent. Let us take the second example, that is of H2SO4. So here we need to find out molar mass. So molar mass of H2SO4 is 98. And what will be number of replaceable H plus ions? So N will be here equal to dash. So we have to find it out. So this will be H2SO4 will be 2H plus SO4 2 minus. So here number of replaceable H plus ions are 2. Hence we can find out equivalent weight, that is molar mass, which is 98 divided by N, that is 2. Hence our answer will be 49 gram per equivalent. Let us see the third example. I have H3PO4, which is known as an phosphoric acid. Here N is equal to 3. Next is H3PO3, which is known as an phosphorus acid, and N is equal to 2. And one more, that is H3PO2, which is known as an hypophosphorus acid, and here N is equal to 1. Now here there are different values of N. Why this is so? This is because of its structure. Now the hydrogen which is attached to the oxygen can be easily removed. So from this N is equal to 3. So we have found out the molar mass, and molar mass here is 98. So we can find out the equivalent weight of phosphoric acid, which will be 98 divided by 3, which gives us the answer 32.67 gram per equivalent. Similarly, for the second one, that is H3PO3, N is equal to 2. So this will be molar mass, that is 82 divided by 2, which is giving us the answer 41 gram per equivalent. And the third one, that is H3PO2, hypophosphorus acid, molar mass is 66 U, and here number of replaceable H plus ion is 1. So this will be 66 divided by 1, and it is giving us the answer 66 gram per equivalent. Now let us see how to calculate equivalent weight of bases. The first example I am taking is NaOH. We know the formula of equivalent weight, that will be equal to molar mass divided by, now this is base, so it will be number of replaceable OH minus ion. So if we take this NaOH, it will be Na plus plus OH minus. So we are just having one replaceable OH minus ion in this case. So here N will be equal to 1. Let us calculate the molar mass of NaOH. So it will be 1 into 23 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 16, which gives us 40 U. So this will be 40, equivalent weight will be equal to 40 divided by 1. So equivalent weight of NaOH is 40 gram per equivalent. Second example I have taken is of calcium hydroxide. I have calculated molar mass of calcium hydroxide, and that is 74. So for equivalent weight, we require molar mass, that will be 74, divided by, it will be number of replaceable OH minus ions, as it is a base. Now for this we have to write calcium hydroxide will be Ca2 plus 2 OH minus. So here number of replaceable OH minus ions are 2. Hence we will get the equivalent weight as 37 gram per equivalent. Thank you.